The question says simplify this expression. Okay, so how do we do the solution? Minus 1 with number 1 over 2 in the parentheses times 3 with number 2 over 3. Okay, so let's settle the parentheses for. So we convert it to an improper fraction by saying 2 times 1 to be 2 plus 1, that is minus 3 over 2. Okay, times, and for these we need to convert it as well. For 3 times 3 is 9. For 9 plus 2, that is 11 over 3. Okay, so from here we look for what we can simplify. So for 3 here to be 1, 3 here to be 1, minus 1 times 11 over 2 times 1. Okay, so for this we have this as minus 11 over 2. Okay, or we have it in the form of a decimal, which is minus 5.5. So for the second expression, we have one whole number, 3 over 4 divide. So within the bracket, we have this as minus 2 whole number, 1 over 4. So from here, so let us change this to an improper fraction. But before that, let's settle what we have in the bracket. So we have one whole number, 3 over 4 divide. So for minus 2, okay, so we multiply 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1. Okay, so we have this as minus 9 over 4. Okay, so for this, so we have this as 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3. We have this as 7 over 4. Okay, since we are dividing, so we have to be times. We change to times, so we have 4 minus 4 over 9. Okay, so equals, so for 4 here to be 1, 4 here to be 1, so here we have, so we have this 7 times minus 1, okay, over, here we have this as 1 times 9, so this gives minus 7 over 9. For the third one, we have in the bracket minus 4.8 dividing minus 6. So for minus 4.8, we can have it this way, minus 4.8. So since this is division, so we have minus 6. So for minus cancel minus, so we have 4.8 over 6, okay? Can we divide 4 by 6? No, so that is 0. So we can have our 4 on this 8, beside this 8, that is 48. So for 1648, that is 8, so we have 0.8, okay? So we divide these numbers, we have 0.8. The question says, what must be divided by 1? We have 6 to make 2. We have minus 3 to make 5, or we have 6 to make 2. So we are looking for what number can we divide by 6 to give us 2. What number can we divide by minus 3 to give us 5, okay? And what number can we divide by 8 to make 6, okay? So solution. So let us try to form this in a mathematical statement. So let's form a mathematical statement from here. So what must be divided by these numbers to make this? So let us assume the number, okay, let the number be x or any letter of the alphabet. So let's say x, okay, divide 6 gives us 2, okay. So from here, we can have this as 1 over 6, okay, times x equals 2. Okay, so what do we do to get x? So let's multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this. Okay, so we have 1 over 6 times 6 over 1, okay, equals 2 times 6 over 1. So when we simplify this is out. Okay, so we have just x equals, for 2 times 6, we have this as 12. So that means when we divide 12 by 6, we have 2, okay? So let us assume b, okay? We divide b by minus 3, okay? It gives us 5. So we can have this as 1 over minus 3b, okay, equals 5. So from here, so what do we do? So we multiply both sides of the equation in the reciprocal of this. for us to get b. Okay, so we have minus 1 over 3 times, okay, minus 3 over 1b equals, so we have 5 times, okay, so we have this as minus 3 over 1, which same thing as minus 3, so this is out. So by the time you say minus 3, this is plus. When you simplify this, we have 1, so we have just b equals, so for 5 times minus 3, okay, we have this to be minus 15. So when we say minus 15 divide minus 3, we have it to be 5, okay. So let us assume we are dividing y by 8, okay, to make minus 3, that equals minus 3, okay. So here we can have this as 1 over 8y equals minus 3. So how do we get the value of y? So let us multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this. So we have 1 over 8, okay, y times 8 over 1 equals minus 3 times 8 over 1. So when we simplify this, okay, what do we have here? We have just y, okay, which is this, y equals, so for minus 3 times 8, we have this to be minus 24. So when we say minus 24 divide 8, we have it to be minus 3. Thank you very much.